Hello everyone. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you a new agent we have created on AgenticFlow. So this agent is basically a video generation agent using the newest Google Veo 3.1 video generation pipeline. So what this agent does is basically with a user prompt, it can generate brand specific videos as well as advertisements for your brand. So this actually saves a lot of time from video generation. So with one prompt and in a few minutes, it can actually just churn out a proper marketing video. So how this is done is by using a system prompt, which I have included. So this system prompt is actually tailored to Pixel ML's brand guidelines and colors with its logos as well as other details. So what it does is it follows these guidelines and then it runs this workflow. This agent basically runs this workflow first, which is a start and end frame generator to create a start frame and an end frame for the video. And then it feeds it into the Veo 3.1 video generation pipeline to create the final product. So that's it for the explanation. Let me just show you how it's done. So I'll ask the agent to create a video for airports on Pixel ML. So here we are simulating basically Pixel ML as a shop and it sells airports. So I'll just ask it to create a video advertising airports which are being sold on Pixel ML. So let's see what it gives us. So as you can see right now, it is running the start and end frame generator to generate the start frame first and then an end frame for our video. So it has finished generating the start frame. Just give it a moment. It'll now generate the end frame. As you can see, it runs this workflow 2 times to generate the start and end frame. Now it's done. Following that, it will run the video generation pipeline to generate the video using these 2 start and end frames. This might take a while, so let's just wait for it to complete. So as you can see, the workflow run has completed and our video link is shown. Let me just play the video to show you. So as you can see, this video is exactly what I've prompted the agent. And it is in Pixel ML. It has Pixel ML branding throughout the video, as well as the product being showcased in Pixel ML color themes of purple and all that. Yep.
So basically, what you just noticed is we are creating a video agent, Veo 3.1, and how is it look like when you are having the agent in your workforce? So it's going to be look like this. The PixelML video generator video, I'm going to click on Edit Agent, and you will see that it's going to have the system prompt where it say your helpful assistant. This is your the creation video. You create on-brand PixelML advertisement in this format using 2 workflow process. And this is the workflow number 1 that I described to the agent. And second one is the workflow number 2 that I also described to the agent. So in order to make it really work, you will need 2 workflow, which is PixelML Nano Banana Start Frame Generator. And second one is PixelML Video Generator with Veo 3. So let's click on Start Frame and End Frame Generator. So this one is actually quite simple. It's also using the input, which is the list of URL, the topic, and also the logo, which is the one that is similar like the one we did before. And in the edit image, you will see that basically we are just repeating the designer agent that doing the start frame. So we're just prompting the agent to using this edit image in order to make a new image that contain our image, which is the logo PixelML. So with this one, we are officially telling to the agent that, hey, I need an image of my product with my logo. So you go and do it. Okay. So let me go back to here. And if you notice in here, actually, this is the agent is doing. Let me check into the history if we can have anything that's working. Okay. So for example, like this is the prompt that we tasked before, like create short form 8-second TVC about Airport Pro 3, so at PixelML. and here's some answer prompt, and here a tone as well. And you will see that if you click on this workflow, it is exactly the workflow that we just create. And here are the prompt that the agent come up with, and it's also sending our PixelML logo as an attachment. And the output of this step is going to be a new image, which is this one. Let me copy and open it in new tab. Okay, so you see that this is the start of the image, start frame. We see that in like 8-second video, right? So we have the first frame and the start frame. So this is a start frame with our logo on it, and that is exactly what we need for now. So let me go back to this one, and the second step is calling this workflow one more time, and then it's actually adding a new prompt in order to create the new image as an end frame, and you can click on this one and then you just open here. You will see that, okay, so this is image of the woman with this logo on the bottom. So so basically you have the start frame and end frame already, and with the new feature of Google Veo 3, actually we are calling this workflow run workflow pixelml video generator Veo 3, and this is the workflow that I was mentioning about. So we can click on this one to see what it exactly is about. So the input is taken by a prompt, the email URL number 1, email URL number 2, and that's it. And if you click in here, you will see that it is choosing the Veo 3.1 generate preview. The prompt was mapping into the prompt in the user input. The aspect ratio was choosing 16:9. The resolution was 720. And then we are taking the first frame at image URL number 1, and second frame is image URL number 2. And then we just click on that image. And here's the output of the image. Let me open that. Not this one, maybe this one. Okay, yeah, let me copy and open this video. Let's play. All right, not bad. So it means right now you can have the ability to create what different agent with this capability. So because you can control it by the prompt, so actually you can make it as a reality of this part. And one of the things that I also would like to mention is that if you click here, you will see that there is some other the feature that we are going to add further into this one as well, like Veo 3.1 Fast, which is more cheaper and can be more helpful to you on this part. Okay, so let's set on ingredient. Okay. Yeah, so you will see that there is a new feature that we just adding, which is the reference image. So what does that mean by this reference image? So let me search for this one first. Veo 3 flow Google. Okay. Ingredient to video. Okay. So this is a new capability of Google that we was mentioning. So in the last office hour, we will mention that we have the Veo 3, but there's one of the feature which is ingredient with two video that not yet able to done on this part. And we were saying that we will do it in next iteration. And today I'm happy to announce that this one is available. Oops, so why is so more? Let me open this one a bit. Okay, too big. On November. Yeah, so this feature, which is ingredient to video. So if you scroll here on the right hand side, you will see that there is this feature. edit your ingredient in the video with more precision. Play this video.
You can also reimagine any shot by adding or removing elements, from subtle details to impossible objects.
So this one is ingredient to video. Let me play that, and so you have the.
The city always got a story. Just gotta listen.
No, this one is not showing exactly how is a flow work. Veo 3. This one. Okay, this look better.
You can use a reference image, a location, a character, object, or a combination. Veo puts them together into a fully formed scene, complete with sound.
Hello, is anybody here?
Yeah, so that is the new capability of Google, and we were supporting that by adding this reference image into the action generate video video. And what you have to do is you need to select the video Veo 3.1 or Veo 3.1 flash in here, and scroll down into the reference image. Make sure you enable it up, and then you add all of these three images into this area. Okay, just mention the parameter of the user input. So for example, like this one, I'm in A, and I just paste here with the correct convention. The image number 2 as well. Maybe we don't need the number 3, and then we just combine these two together, and this is going to running the workflow with the correct area.